Hello friends, in this video we have studied that the kinematics of machinery, the subject of the second year of kinematic of machinery. In previous lecture we have seen that the what is the that is the kinematic of machinery, then what is the machine, and then in previous lecture we have seen that is the what is the machine, then what is the kinematic link or element, what is the then resistance body, or next will be the types of the link. There are the three types of the link, that is the rigid link, flexible link and fluid link. In this video we have studied that the the types of the kinematic link, types of a rigid link. Okay, then what is the rigid link? In previous lecture we have seen that the definition of the rigid link. Okay, then what is the rigid link? Rigid link is the it is a link which do not undergo any appreciable deformation while transmitting the required motion. When the transmitting the motion, it does not require the any deformation, it is called as the rigid link. Then the what is the types of the rigid link and types of rigid link? There are the three types of the rigid link. First will be the binary link. First will be the binary link, second will be the ternary or tertiary link, and third will be the quaternary link. Third will be the quaternary link. These are the three types of the rigid link. Okay, we have seen that the one by one. First will be the binary link. Then what is the binary link? We have seen that the definition, the link is attached the link is attached at two different points in a mechanism in a mechanism is called as binary link. It is a binary link. The link is attached at different points in a mechanism is called as the binary link. Okay, means this is the link, and this link is attached at two different points. Suppose this is the link and then attached to the two different points, that is this different points 1 and 2. This link is called as the binary link. This is called as the binary link. Okay, what is the binary link? The link is attached at two different points in a mechanism is called as the binary link. Okay, the second will be the tertiary link. Then what is the tertiary link? The link is attached at three different points in a mechanism is called as the tertiary link. Okay, what is the tertiary link? The link is attached at three different point in a mechanism is called as the tertiary link. How it is draw that the tertiary link? Suppose this is the link 1, is a this is link third. Means the link is attached at 3 different points. Link is attached at 3 different point. It is called as a 3 different point. This link is attached at 3 different point. So it is called as the tertiary link. So it is called as the tertiary link. Okay. This diagram also draw as it is, that is called as a tertiary link. Okay, tertiary link, the link is attached at 3 different point in a mechanism is called as a tertiary link. And the third will be the quaternary link. Third will be the quaternary link. What is the definition of the quaternary link? The link is attached. The link is attached at 4 different point. At 4 different points in a mechanism is called as quaternary link. Is called as quaternary links. Means the link is attached at 4 different point in a mechanism is called as the quaternary link. How to draw this link? This is the link, quaternary link. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means this link to attach at 4 different points is in the mechanism is called as the quaternary link. These are the types of the rigid link. Okay, these are the types of the rigid link. One example we have seen that one example, typical exam contains the binary link or tertiary link or binary link. One example we have seen that is the draw the one example of the various. Okay, the one example we have seen that okay. Okay, this is the example in which in a mechanism how many the binary joints and how many the ternary joint and how many the quaternary joint. Okay, in which this is the one link, that is the one link, two link, and this consider as the one link, that is the 3. This is the 4. This is the 5 link. This is the again a shaded line, so that it is considered as the one link 6, that is the 7, and again one layer, that is the 8. There are the 8 links in this mechanism, in which the how many the binary joints and how many the ternary joint and how many the quaternary joint in this. The first we have seen that the first is the binary link, in which link is the binary link? It is the binary link. What is a binary link? Binary links means the link is attached at 2 different points. At 2 different points, it is called as the binary joints. Bi means nothing but the 2. Bi means nothing but the 2 points will be connected at a 2 different mechanism. Okay, this is the binary link, in which the how many the binary joints? That is the 1 is the binary joint, 2 is the binary join, that is the 4 is the binary join, 5 is the binary join, 7 is the binary join. Okay, these are the 1 2 4 5 7 is nothing but the binary link. Okay, second will be the ternary link. What is the ternary link? Ternary link is nothing but the link is attached at three different points. Link is attached at three different points is called as the ternary link. In this mechanism, how many the ternary link? That is the these are the link 6 is the ternary join and link 8 is the ternary link. Okay, then third will be the quaternary link. Then what is the quaternary link? The link is attached at a 4 different point, then it is called as the quaternary link. In this mechanism, how many link is the quaternary joint? That is the link 3 is nothing but the quaternary joint. Quaternary joint link is the nothing but the 3. Okay, 1 is the binary joint, 2 is the binary joint, 3 is the quaternary joint, 4th will be the binary joint, 5th will be the binary joint, 6th will be the ternary, 7th will be the again binary, 8th will be the again ternary joint. In which there are the 1 2 3 4 5 link is the binary joint, binary link, and ternary link is the 2 link is the ternary link, and quaternary link is the 1 link is the quaternary link in this mechanism. Okay, this is the example of the binary link, ternary link, and quaternary link. Okay, and then next topic will be the structure. Then what is the structure? Next topic will be the structure, definition of the structure. Then what is the structure? Structure is an assemblage of resistant bodies without any deformation, without any relative motion, between the links. Then what is the structure? It is the assemblies of the resistance body, means it is the assembly of the resistance body without any relative motion between the links. असा स्ट्रक्चर तुमचा असा एक स्ट्रक्चर की ते असेंब्लीज ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स बॉडी, ते नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स बॉडीपासून बनलेलं असेल पण त्याच्यामध्ये कोणतेही रिलेटिव्ह मोशन नसणारे, त्याला म्हणणार तुम्ही स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, आता सपोज दिस इज द लिंक 1, दिस इज लिंक 2 अँड दिस इज द लिंक 3. Okay, this link will be the fix, that is a link 1, link 2 or link 3, in which this link will be the fix, so that there will be the no relative motion between this point, so it is called as the structure. मीन्स स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे काय असतं तुमचं? इट इज द असेंब्लीज ऑफ, म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स बॉडी विल बी कनेक्टेड टू इच अदर, देर विल बी द नो रिलेटिव्ह मोशन बिटवीन द links. This is called as the structure. The example of this structure is the roof trusses. Okay, roof trusses. This structure will be used as the roof trusses, means structure is an assemblies of resistance body without any relative motion between the link. This is called as the structure. Okay, these are the diagram of the structure and the example of the roof trusses. Okay, then what is the structure? Difference between what is the structure and the machine. Okay, structure and the machine, it is the assemblies of the resistance body without any relative motion between the link. This is called as the structure, and the machine is the assemblies of the resistance body with विथ रिलेटिव्ह मोशन बिटवीन द लिंक्स. मीन्स असं स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये काय असणार, तुमचं स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये असं रेजिस्टन्स बॉडी असणार आहे की त्याच्यामध्ये तुमचे कोणतीही रिलेटिव्ह मोशन नसणार आहे, पण मशीनमध्ये अशा बॉडी कनेक्ट केलेल्या असतात की त्याच्यामध्ये रिलेटिव्ह मोशन होणार आहे. आणि स्ट्रक्चरचा यूज काय केला जातो, फक्त तुमची एनर्जी इट कॅनॉट फोर्सेस ओनली ट्रान्सफर. स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये फोर्सेस तुमचे ट्रान्सफर केले जातात आणि मशीनमध्ये तुमचे फोर्सेस अँड एनर्जी दोन्ही पण ट्रान्सफर केलेले असतात. दिस इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द स्ट्रक्चर अँड द मशीन. ओके, द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर इज द रूफ ट्रसेस. Roof trusses example of the machine is the roof trusses and the machine is the screw jack. काय आपलं डिफरन्स काय आहे तुमचा स्ट्रक्चर आणि मशीन. स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे काय, तुमचे असेंब्लीज ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स बॉडी विदाउट एनी रिलेटिव्ह मोशन अँड द मशीन इज द असेंब्लीज ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स बॉडी विथ रिलेटिव्ह मोशन बिटवीन द लिंक्स. अँड स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये ओनली तुमच्या फोर्सेस ट्रान्समिट केले जातात, एनर्जी ट्रान्सफर केली जात नाही. मशीनमध्ये तुमचे फोर्सेस आणि एनर्जी दोन्हीही ट्रान्सफर केले जाते, त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला युजफुल वर्क मिळतं. आणि स्ट्रक्चरचं एक्झाम्पल आहे रूफ ट्रसेस, मशीनचं एक्झाम्पल आहे स्क्रू jack. This is the topic of the types of the rigid link. What is the types of the rigid link? Binary link, ternary link and quaternary link. How it is selected at a binary link, ternary link or a quaternary link. And after that we have seen that the structure or the machine, and main difference of the structure and the machine is the very important. Okay, thank you.